Hello everyone, we're going to make baked lemon chicken. You will need 1 whole chicken, 2 onions, 2 red chili, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 spring onion, 1/4 cup peanut oil or cooking oil, 1/4 cup lemon juice. What we'll do, you have your whole chicken, cut in half. Peel your 2 onions, cut both ends. Smash your garlic. Take out the skin. You need 1 spring onion. Chop it. And set aside. We need to chop the onion in a chunky pieces. And also the garlic. You need to have your chopper, and also you need to put all the spice inside, cooking oil, and also the lemon juice. Blend all. Mix all the seasoning, rub it. In and out. Bake it for 1 hour or longer than that. Put in the oven for 180 degrees for 40 minutes. The bird, it's cooking, so we need to brush the sauce on the top of your chicken. Here's the lemon chicken that we made today. Enjoy! Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.